Hi loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So we're going to be doing a pre-poo treatment using only one ingredient. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. So let's get started. So love, the main ingredient we'll be using is okra. So this 2 months journey I'll be focusing more on using okra on my hair as a leave-in. All right, yes, as a leave-in. So I'll be experimenting more on okra leave-in on my hair. So I hope you enjoy this particular 2 months hair growth challenge we are embarking on. Thank you so much for all the love and support towards all the videos. I really appreciate you guys. Are the best. If you're new to the channel, hello, hi, welcome. My name is naturalista. Here I create a lot of amazing ingredients that will help you to grow out your hair. So I'm adding an amount of water that I'm going to use to get out the okra gel. Then you let this sit to cook for like 5 to 10 minutes, and this is what I have. Okay, so I'm okay with the consistency of the gel. All right, so after this I am going to strain it, and we'll start with the process. So this okra gel, I'm using it as a pre-poo for today's video. So I'm going to be along the line. I did an experiment, which another video will come up about the experiment. I'll give you guys my final thought about it. So I'm going to strain. After straining the remaining okra, like this greeny part you guys are seeing, don't throw it away. You can use it as a deep condition. I have a video whereby I use this as a deep condition and it did an amazing job on my hair. So this is what I am doing right now. This is the okra gel beneath the sieve. That is what I'm going to be using as my pre-poo for and stroke detangler for today's video. So I just lost my 2 months braid. Okay, so I want to detangle my hair. I'm going to be using this as my detangler stroke pre-poo. For the oil choice, I'm using pure almond oil. Okay, that is the oil I will be using for today's recipe. I just added few drops of it, then I mix everything together. Mix very well, mix thoroughly. So I'm using my fork to mix everything together so that the two of them can combine. So love, this is my hair after I have taken down my mini braids. I love my hair right now. Like, my hair growth is just awesome. It's just something that I can't imagine that I've gotten to this extent. So my hair is this now. All right, so I am going to be splitting my hair into two for the experiment I will do, which will come out in another video. So I'll be using one part of my hair to do this okra pre-poo, yeah, and stroke detangler. So I'm going to be parting my hair into two. This other side I'm going to be using another gel for this other side. In this other side I'm going to be doing the okra pre-poo on my hair. So yeah, I'm going to be telling you guys the benefits of okra, why I apply this on my hair. So that is my okra gel that I'll be using. So applying okra gel to your hair can give your hair an instant shine and smoothens your hair while lasting, and also helping your hair to be protected and strengthen your hair too. Okra is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C and K. Okay, and it has calcium, it has potassium, it has lots and other natural nutrients that are great for hair growth. Okay, it moisturizes a dry scalp and help you to remove dandruff. Okay guys, so I'm just applying this on my hair. I started with my front hair. Apply detangle, apply detangle. That is what I will be doing. Okay, I'll make sure I remove any knot I have from carrying your hair for long. It's best to use a very like a very hydrating treatment, or a very hydrating gel, or a very anything hydrating, so that you can be able to, and also has this sliming consistency, so that when you are detangling your hands are free when you put your hands on your hair. Like when you are using your hand to finger comb your hair, it's free it's easier to detangle. Okay, this is why I'm using this Okra as my detangler stroke pre-poo for today's video. So I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share a beautiful comment. So as I said earlier on, I will be doing more of Okra in this 2 months challenge. That will be as a leave-in, not as a pre-poo, more as a leave-in and a deep conditioner treatment along the line. Yeah, besties, so this is what I'll be doing. This is my hair right now after I have done detangling those 2 sections right there. This is what I have. I still went back with my hand for this detangling process. I did not use any comb. I use only my hands to finger detangle. You can see the tips of my hair, they are all hydrated. Yeah, so when it comes to other benefits of Okra, 1, hydration. Okay, Okra helps in hydrating your hair and prevent dryness. All right, so this is the hair fall I have in just that section. I have detangle, which I'll be doing the same thing I did in the previous video. I'll be doing it in every other section of my hair. I'm not going to be using comb. I'm going to be using my hand to finger detangle. So when it comes to hair growth, Okra nourishes, okay, the nutrients, nourishes your hair follicles, promoting stronger and healthier hair. When it comes to scalp health, Okra ammonic acid and pH balance helps to maintain healthy scalp. So Okra has ammonic acid, it has pH balance, okay, which is going to help you to maintain your scalp. Okay, when it comes to dandruff, Okra helps to get rid of dandruff. You know, dandruff causes by dryness of the scalp and not unkept scalp. Okay, so if your scalp is not kept well, you're going to intend to have dandruff. Yeah, so Okra adds shine to your hair. Okra gel can give your hair instant shine. Okay, and Okra strengthens your hair. Okay, it makes your hair less prone to breakage. Yes, so these are all the benefits I have for you all for Okra. Okay, so Okra is really amazing for hair growth and thickness of hair. So I am just going back to finger detangle with my hands, making sure that this Okra is everywhere on my hair. And one thing I have noticed about this is that when you apply this on your hair, it instantly locks into your hair and it has more hydration when it's still left on your hair. Like the coils on your hair keeps on popping. So over here I asked my hubby to help me to film the back of the hair. I saw a lot of coil definition. Like, can you see that, guys? I'm sure it's not so clear, but from my own mirror, when I was watching it from my mirror, the coil definition was just awesome. Okay, so this is the remaining Okra I have, and I'm done with this section. So the other section, I'm going to be using another treatment for the other section. We will come out in another video. So in a whole one section, this is the hair loss I have. Just in that one section I detangled. All right, besties, so this is the definition of hydration I have. Over here I use another jelly ingredient which will come out in another video. All right, besties, as I said, I did a comparison. So I am done with my hair. This is how full my hair is. Okay, this is how my hair is looking right now. I'm going to rinse it out, then apply my shampoo, and then go back with my deep condition. I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Will you be trying Okra? Let me know. Will you be doing it on a consistent level? Let me know. Are you going to be joining me in this 2 months challenge of using Okra? Let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you all in my next one. My hair felt soft, my hair felt fuller, my hair felt fluffier. Yeah, so I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye for now.